Hello friends, my name is Ayush and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will unbox Xiaomi's budget brand new smartphone named Xiaomi Mi Note 10. As you can see that there is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10 box in my hand, and in the top of the box it is clearly mentioned that it is a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant smartphone, which is of a black color smartphone. And as you can see that there is a written on the box with the marker and the phone inside it is a black color smartphone. As I purchased this smartphone in the offline market, so the offline retailer store always write this in the top of the box at the RAM and storage configuration, including the color variant, because the color variant in which is on the box is different, and inside the box the color of the smartphone is different. So without any further ado, let's get started. So hello friends, as you can see that it is the box of the Xiaomi's budget smartphone named Redmi Note 10, and let's open the box. And before opening the box, let's check out the features which are the main highlight of this smartphone. As you can see that the clearly brand and the smartphone name is written on the top of the back of this box. As you can see that there is a 4 main specification of this box of this phone is mentioned on the back of this box. As you can see that there is a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display, which is quite good because the dot display we can see in the various flagship level smartphone, but we can see the dot display in mid-range smartphone. That's very awesome. And you can see that there is a Corning Gorilla Glass protection also in the smartphone. And you can see that there is a 48 megapixel AI quad camera at the back of the smartphone with the ultra wide and macro lens. And there is a clearly mentioned about the 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support, and the processor is of Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core SoC processor, which is based on the 11 nanometer technology. So as the box of the back of the box with including the features is quite good, let's open the box. So we can see that there is a smartphone which is wrapped inside the plastic case. So let's make the phone out of this case. As you can see that there is a dot display camera which is quite good, and there is a quad rear camera setup model which is arranged at the back of this smartphone is quite good, because as you can see that in the back of this smartphone the quad camera is arranged in such a way that the front camera, the primary camera, is of 48 megapixel and the remaining 3 camera are fixed in the triangular shape, including a flashlight. And these all are set up also included in the rectangular box. As you can see that there is a small bump we can see in the back of this smartphone, and you can see that there is written it ultra premium. So in this video I will not show you the camera quality of this smartphone, only this is an unboxing video. So let's put the box somewhere aside and let's check it out, and let's boot this smartphone. Before booting the smartphone, let's talk some of the features of this smartphone. This smartphone has a 13 megapixel AI selfie camera. This smartphone has a dual stereo speaker. As you can see in the bottom of the smartphone, the one speaker and the second speaker in the top of the smartphone. It is a dual stereo speaker smartphone with IR remote control. IR remote control is the Xiaomi's main features in the many of the smartphones. As you can see that IR blaster is the top of the box or top of this smartphone. As you can see that there is a speaker in the top of this smartphone. This speaker and this speaker means dual speaker, and one speaker should also given if you can see that there is, it is for the calling purposes. So you can see that there is total 3 speaker in this smartphone. As you can see that the phone has been booted. And now let's talk about the another configuration or another specification of this smartphone. This smartphone has the electronic image stabilization, which is quite good. 180 hertz touch sampling rate display, which is always awesome. 180 hertz touch sampling rate display in the mid-range budget smartphone. That's quite good. Always I say that's quite good. The Xiaomi has worked completely awesome work on this. Further, in this smartphone we get high resolution audio clarification, including side mounted fingerprint scanner. As you can see that the side mounted fingerprint scanner is given in this smartphone, which is on the power lock unlock button, and the Z-axis linear vibration motor is also fixed in this smartphone. Overall, this smartphone has the good quality of the budget smartphone. As you can see that there is a camera, and the lots of features are in this camera. You can see that there is a pro feature. We can use the various stabilization mode and the various navigation mode on the camera quality if you use in the pro mode, including video. We can check there is ultra wide of 0.6x and 2x of zoom. That's quite good in the budget smartphone. Further, let's talk about the photos. The photos have the AI quality, HDR, and the many other sensors. If you can check the settings, 9:16, full, 10s, 5s. There is a timer given, 10s, 5s, and the movie frame, tilt, shift, pro, color, time burst. Many of the features is given in this smartphone, including portrait. And when we go to the more, we can also see that there is a lots of features, including night, 48 megapixel, short video, document, panorama, time lapse, AI watermark, and many more. Further, I can say that this smartphone is a quite good budget range smartphone, and let's talk about the design of this smartphone. If we check in the bottom of this smartphone, we get a 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill. One speaker grill in the bottom of the smartphone, and the second speaker grill on the top of this smartphone. That's quite good. So let's talk about the pricing of this smartphone. So let's see the box, that what price has been mentioned on this smartphone. As I don't have the bill of this smartphone, so I didn't tell you the exact price of this smartphone. I only tell you the price of this smartphone which is mentioned on the box. In the top of the box the price is not mentioned. So let's see the second. I can't see the price where the price has been mentioned on this smartphone. Further, all this is a shadow black 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant smartphone. So I didn't know what is the price of this smartphone, but this smartphone is quite good, and we can see that. So hence I found the price on this smartphone. The price of this smartphone is given 15,999 rupees. As far I know, this smartphone is not of 15,999. This smartphone below 15,000, and I can surely give you the suggestion to buy this smartphone because it is a mid-range smartphone including all the features. So this smartphone is awesome in the range of 15,000. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so never miss the video from my side.